Welcome to our channel. Today we're heading to Pinnawala, Sri Lanka, to explore its wildlife wonders and get an up-close look at the animals and surroundings that make this place so special. Pinnawala Zoo, near Pinnawala in Sri Lanka, is a tranquil, verdant wildlife haven welcoming visitors to encounter a diverse array of residents. The park showcases bears, tigers, deer, birds, and several species of crocodiles, all housed in well-placed, accessible enclosures that allow close-up viewing without sacrificing animal welfare. Strolling paths wind through shaded enclosures, making it easy for families and curious travelers to observe behavior, learn about habitats, and capture memorable moments close to nature. Informative displays and interpretive signs provide bite-sized insights into each species, conservation efforts, and the roles zoos play in wildlife protection. The experience is enhanced by a relaxed, family-friendly atmosphere. Educational talks, feeding demonstrations at scheduled times, and kid-friendly activity areas help younger visitors stay engaged. The zoo's conservation-focused programs emphasize habitat preservation, research collaboration, and awareness campaigns, offering guests a sense of participation in broader wildlife care. A notable bonus is the zoo's proximity to the Pinnawala Elephant Sanctuary, which adds an extra dimension to a day of wildlife discovery. Elephants nearby can be explored separately, enriching the overall experience for animal lovers. This combination makes Pinnawala Zoo a fulfilling, well-rounded destination for a memorable Sri Lankan wildlife outing.